Hello friends, welcome to VTC Academy, and today we are going to solve an example on infinite geometric progressions. So we have to find the rational number, and that number when expressed as a decimal will have 0.234 bar as its expansion. So let us find the rational number. So first let us consider 0.234 bar. So this we can represent as 0.23444 and so on. And we can write this decimal number as 0.23 plus 0.004 plus 0.0004 plus so on. And now let us consider this part of a series. We observe that this is in geometric progression, and to find the sum of infinity we have the formula a divided by 1 minus r. So here in this series we get the value of a as 0.004, and then the common difference would be the ratio between two terms. So we have here the second term as 0.0004 divided by the first term, which is 0.004. So we get the value of this as 0.1, and we observe that the r value is less than 1, so we can use this formula. Now this we can write as 0.23 plus a value, which is nothing but 0.004 divided by 1 minus r, which is given as 0.1. So this would come as 0.23 plus 0.004 divided by 1 minus 0.1 would come as 0.9. Now this we can write as 0.23, and then let us simplify this term. Here we can write 0.004 as 4 divided by 1000 whole divided by, then we have 0.9 in the denominator. So this we can write as 9 divided by 10. That implies we get this as 4 divided by 1000, and the denominator terms get reciprocal, and we get this as 10 divided by 9. Here we can cancel our 0 and 0 in the numerator and denominator. Then we get this as 4 divided by, and by multiplying 9 into 100 we get the denominator value as 900. So let us write this value over here. So we get here 0.23 plus 4 divided by 900. Now let us take 900 as the LCM. Then by multiplying 0.23 by 900 we get 207 plus 4. So on adding here the numerator terms we get 211 divided by 900. So this is the required rational number, which when expressed as a decimal we have 0.234 bar as its expansion. So this is how we solve an example on infinite geometric progressions. Hope you understood the concept. Do like this video. For any queries you can ask us through the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.